Hi students, today in our class we are going to refer model paper of sociology for first year PU students. The questions carrying 1 mark and 2 mark based on reduced syllabus. Let's start our class. The first question is, who is the father of Indian sociology? The answer is G.S. Gurre. Don't get confused between who is the father of sociology or uh, who is the father of Indian sociology. If in exam they ask the father of sociology, you have to write Auguste Comte, or in exam they ask the father of Indian sociology, you have to write G.S. Gurre. The next question is, state any one effect of industrial revolution. The answer is the simple rural life and domestic industries were replaced by complex urban life and mass production. Who coined the concept primary group? The answer is C.H. Cooley. Given an example of association, the answer is Lions Club, political parties, trade unions, state students union. Who introduced the concept of cultural lag? The answer is Ogburn. State any one type of education. The answer is informal and formal education. The next question is, what is material culture? Material culture means all man-made things, all man-made objects include like it means like dam examples of material culture like dams, machines, furniture, buildings, etc. Write any one name of the Indian sociology. You have to write the Indian sociologist names. Here I mention M.N. Srinivasa, Iravati Karve, G.S. Gurre. What is institution? Means institutions may be defined as the established forms or conditions of procedure, characteristics of group activity. The next question is, mention any one feature of competition. Competition and affluence, scarcity as a condition of competition. The next question is, what is socialization? Socialization is the learning process that enables a learner to perform social roles. The next question is, how the term cooperation derived? The term cooperation derived from Latin word co means together, and operae meaning work, work together, the whole meaning it comes. The next question is, mention any one geographical feature of social change. The answer is floods, earthquakes, heavy rainfall. The next question is, who introduced the concept structuration? The answer is F.H. Giddings. Who is the father of sociology? The answer is Auguste Comte. Who said man is a social animal? Aristotle. The father of political science. What is social change? Social change is a term used to describe variation in our modifications of any aspects of social process, social pattern, social interaction, and social organization. Mention Comte's law of 3 stages. The law of 3 stages of Comte is the theological stage, the metaphysical stage, the positive stage. State any type of education, any one type of education or two type of education, or write any one type of education. Means you have to write informal education or formal education, any one. Name any one form of culture, material and non-material culture. You have to write any one. Name any two Indian sociologists, M.N. Srinivasa, Iravati Karve, G.S. Gurre. The next question is, mention any two characteristics of society. The answer is society, the group of groups. Society is a web of social relationship, and similarities or likeness. Name any two types of social group. In group and out group, or primary and social secondary group. Mention any two types of competition. The types of competition, as you know: social competition, economic competition, political competition, cultural competition. Write any two or anyone in exam. The question comes. Name any two types of family: joint family, nuclear family. Mention any two biological factors of social change. The biological factors of social change means heavy death rate, or birth rate, and migration, etc. The next question is, name the two books of Auguste Comte. The answer is Positive Philosophy and Positive Polity. Mention any two essential elements of community. The answer is locality or geographical area, community sentiment. Mention two types of social control: formal and informal social control. The next question is, write any one book written by Durkheim. The answer is Division of Labor in Society. Mention any two forms of cooperation. The answer is direct cooperation and indirect cooperation. The next question is, mention any two functions of education. The functions of education, here I mention preservative function, allocative function, reformative function. Name any two agents of socialization: family, school, peer group. What is secondary group means? The answer is the relationship secondarily, relatively impersonal, contractual, task oriental, hence limited focus on its activities. What is assimilation means? The assimilation is one of the type of interaction. Mention any two characteristics of association. The characteristics of association is specific interest, organized group, regulation of relations. The next question is, mention any two functions of competition. The functions of competition means you have to write source of motivation, provides for new experience, provide for social mobility. How is the term sociology derived? The term sociology derived from Latin word socius, means companion or associate, and in Greek word logos means science or study. Give an example of informal social control: folkways, mores, customs. So these are the questions carrying 1 mark and 2 mark. The syllabus based on reduced syllabus. Thanks for listening.